nothing.
Oh my god. Front frame computer 47 faults and rear frame computer 63 faults.
As you see, nothing happens when you turn on the ignition, but it starts. Strange, no? And also the lights are not working. Absolutely nothing. I really love this part of my job. When the patient is far away and I need to drive, let's say, a couple of hundred of kilometers. Here we have the body computer, body, okay, ADC, but here nothing. No power in here. Oh, yes, we have. It's on ignition. On this fuse there's no power. So the third fuse, this is the wire 7768. So we should have 24 volts permanently here, not on ignition. So we will need to crack this wire here. So this 7768, it goes from here to here in the downside, and I've found it here. 7768 in this gray plug. Oh, doesn't look too good, but I don't think that's the problem. Oh, found out something else. 79. So 7768, it's connected with 7972 like this. And now let's see why don't we have power on this 7972. So it was a lot more easy for me to just power this wire through a fuse, but I really want to see where's the problem, because this problem is often encountered to Iveco trucks, and I will find it. So I've also found the 7972 here we have two of 7972. When I check them, there's no power. When I connect these two plugs, I have power, but there's no logic because it's a connection between those two wires, between 7972 and 7768. So the second wire, the second 7972, it goes, oh my god, directly to the body computer, to this one. So here I have but here I don't have. So from here to here it's a problem. The wire is interrupted. Let's see if it works. It should work. For example, if the tachograph is on, it should work. Lights not working. And the dashboard turns on. So let's say this right headlight. This is the harness which goes directly to this PPC front frame computer. So it's impossible to have open circuit, but oh, what happened here? I just saw a spark. Ground wires, and I see that this crimp was melted, and it should be somewhere around here. New crimp. Oh. Oh, we have lights. So now I'm sure that you're wondering how in the world